apply now, so just click on apply now and you have to enter the captcha. So DEDYCU. So just click on apply now, and once you click on apply now, you just click on read passport. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another new video. So as you saw in the thumbnail, I just received my Cambodian visa 24 hours ago, and it is the easiest visa process I've done in my life. I've been to 12 odd countries, but this is the easiest visa process I can tell, and there are agents who charge double for this visa process as well. This visa costs you $36, which is like 2,984 rupees, let's say 3,000 rupees only. That's why this visa is so easy that I'll be explaining the process in under 5 minutes. So I'll be sharing my screen, showing you the visa process. You don't have to do anything, just upload your passport. All the details are going to get popped up. You just have to mention your hotel address. They don't even ask you for a hotel reservation or flight tickets, nothing guys. So just upload your passport like I'll be showing in my video, and you're pretty much good. So without wasting any time, let me share my screen and get started. Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So once you come to Google, then just type Cambodia E-Visa, and there are a lot of fake links available here, and I advise you to select this particular link. I'll try to link it in the description below as well. It's E-Visa Kingdom of Cambodia. So I'll just click on this. There's a timer set for this video to complete it under 5 minutes, so that people don't feel it's a waste of time. So I'll just directly cover this very quickly. So it says apply now, so just click on apply now and you have to enter the captcha. So DEDYCU. So just click on apply now, and once you click on apply now, you just click on read passport and upload your passport. So once you upload your passport, it's going to fill all the details automatically. Like I have uploaded a dummy passport of Mr. Bean which says Santa Claus. So just it just fill the missing details. So I'll just fill the phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So just try to fill I'll just try to fill dummy details, so it will be helpful for your video. But when you are filling the form, just fill your proper details and do not do this. So it's India, and address in Cambodia, let's say I'll just keep it as John Residence, Siem Reap, Cambodia. Okay, so as you can see, most of the details are taken from the passport itself, which is a very good thing. Even the nicest of visas, even the most developed countries do not have this kind of good portal where you upload your passport and all the details are fetched from the passport. So kudos to the Cambodian government. They've done an incredible job. So again, let me just fill this in order, and the date of issue, I'll just mention this as 2022 now December 2nd, so that it takes 6 months more than what we are applying date. So intended date of entry, I'll just mention it as April 14th, say April 15th. Port of entry, I'll just give it a Siem Reap. So once you give all these details, read these details thoroughly again. Once you give these details, just click on next. No need to give your hotel reservation, nothing. Just tell it tourist visa T, $36, tourist only. So when you click on next, right, so so passport is in incorrect format. So when you click on next, the amount you have paid you have paid successfully will not be refunded. Agree terms and conditions. Then you just have to click on submit, and then you will be asked for the payment page. So you can see review is done. So the payment page, you have to select, for example, if you have Visa card, you have HDFC Bank or ICICI or Axis Bank, just give your Visa details, and once you give these details, you will be accepted for the payment, and it will show it as complete, and you will get the visa within 48 hours. So I got the visa within 48 hours. You can see transaction is unsuccessful because I've not made the transactions. So you will get the visa within say 48 hours from the time of completion, and once you get the visa, you will get a printout of the visa. I'll just try to show it on the screen here. Cambodia. Okay, Yeah, so once you get the visa, you will have a printout as shown in the thumbnail, and you can just use the same, and you can show into the immigration counter, and then they will check your visa, the validity of the code, and then they let you in. So this visa is pretty much it. So if you have any questions, do ping me on Instagram for immediate response. Follow me and then ping me on Instagram because I'm not getting notified, or comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. So as you saw in my video, just upload the passport and you're good. You don't need anything else at all. Just submit it, pay $36 on your credit card. Ensure you're paying to credit card or debit card. Enable international transactions. So enabling international transaction is very, very important. So once you enable the international transactions, the amount will get automatically deducted from your credit or debit card, and then the visa will be, the processing takes about 2 to 3 working days. They say 3 working days, but I got it in 2 working days, and the visa letter would be sent to your email address. And once you have to take a hard copy printout of this and carry it to the airport and show it in the immigration and in the check-in counters, you are good. They are going to let you inside Cambodia, and once you enter Cambodia, there's no fees that is paid to required. You just have to show this printout. They are going to put a seal on your passport. That's pretty much it. So I hope this information is helpful. Any questions, do feel to ping me on Instagram. Follow me and ping me on Instagram. I'm not getting notified, or comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. I'll catch you in my next video.